No strategy needed subtraction review. All right, remember when we look at our number, and I have 55 subtract 44. Here's a picture of 55. Can I easily subtract 4 tens and 4 ones? Absolutely. And when I do, I have an 11 left over. Great. It was super easy. I didn't need to do anything. So that was actually a no strategy needed. How about 62 minus 41? Can I easily take away 4 tens and a 1? Yes. And the answer is 21. No strategy needed. But look at 35 minus 16. Notice I can take away a 1, a 110, but I can't take away 6 ones because I don't have 6 ones. So that would be a problem. I would need a strategy. So for today's purposes, we will just cross it out and say there's a problem in the ones because I don't have enough ones. 54 subtract 27. Again, notice I don't have 7 ones there. I would need to take them from somewhere else. So that is a problem. I cannot solve this one without using a strategy because my ones problem has a bigger digit on the bottom. Let's look at these problems. I have 48 subtract 27 and 48 subtract 29. One of these you can solve without any problem, and one of these needs a strategy. Well, yes, this one the answer is 21 because I can just subtract going straight down. My big digits are all on the top, so I can solve it. This one, the 9 is larger than the 8, so I need a strategy. So the ones column is giving me problems. Look at these two problems. Again, which one can we easily solve with a no strategy needed? Solve it on your whiteboard. Super. 17 minus 15 is 2. That is definitely a no strategy needed. Notice my bigger digit, actually it's the same digit, but if I can subtract the same digit, it's 0, is on top. My 7 is larger than my 4, so I have a problem. I would need to use a strategy. 55 minus 25, or 38, subtract 29. Which one of those has a problem? Absolutely. The 9 is larger than the 8, so the 1s is giving me a problem. This one is super easy. I have the larger digit there and the same digit there, so the answer is just 30. 35 minus 29 and 24 subtract 14. Which one is easy? Which one is an NSN or a no strategy needed? And which one do you need a strategy on? Correct. Cross that one out. Notice my bigger digit is there, so my problem is in the ones. 24 minus 14 is easy. It's just 10. I just subtract both columns going down. 27 minus 12 and 25 minus 17. Again, look where the bigger digits are. Notice the 7 is larger and it's on the bottom. We don't have enough to just subtract without using a strategy. This one is easy. It's just 15. Great job. Now look at some 3-digit numbers. Again, we're looking for the larger digits. If they're on the bottom, we need a strategy. Notice that 5 right there. That 5 in the tens place is the larger digit. So we need a strategy because of the tens place. Over here, big digit, big digit, big digit. So just subtract each column going straight down. 400 minus 100 equals 300. 30 minus 20 equals 10. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Great job. Again, look for the larger digits. Make sure they're not on the bottom. Which one will you solve? Which one will you cross out? Absolutely, this is an NSN. You should have written 405. This one, notice the 40 is larger than 30 and 6 is larger than 2. So we actually had a problem in the tens place and the ones place. And look at these two problems. Again, look for the larger digits. Oh, see that 5? It's larger than the 2. Everything else is perfect. It was almost an NSN, but it's not. We have a problem in the ones place. Big digit, same digit, big digit. So just subtract going straight down. Kids, whenever you're doing subtraction problems, look for the bigger digit. Make sure the bigger digit is on top, and if so, you can just subtract straight down. If it's on the bottom, you're going to need to use a strategy. There are lots of strategies we've learned, so choose one, but make sure you use a strategy. Pay attention to those bigger digits.